Alright, so welcome back to Joy Shaving channel, and today is a special Indian wet shaver Facebook group shave. This is a challenge. How cheap can you shave? How inexpensive can you go with the products? कितना सस्ते में आप दाढ़ी बना सकते हैं? So, of course, there are many people who have already selected different options, but what I have selected is a rupees 30 Shavette, a blade which pack of 10 is rupees 20, RK stainless, very famous in saloon, very inexpensive blade. Actually 20 rupees है इसमें लिखा हुआ, but if you can get a pack of 50 for just 35 rupees. I got it for 35 rupees from a wholesale shop. So I have reduced the cost of my shave by sourcing my products from a wholesale shop. And then third thing I'm going to use is coconut oil from Patanjali. Now this is 75 rupees for 200 ml. So you can calculate. I'll require about a max of 4 or 5 ml. That's it. So you can do the costing and the pricing. Anyways, there was no compromise with the preparation. I used a simple Argo face wash, very normal face wash to wash my face, but this does not get counted in the shave. So the shaving product just has three things: the oil, shavette, and the blade which is there inside. So of course I have a paper which I will use to dispose of the shaved off whiskers. So I'll just take some warm water. Today I'm using warm water because it is almost very near to midnight and a bit cool, so I want to get as much good prep as possible. And today I'm also going to demonstrate a technique which you can use with your straight razor or shave it. जब इतना ऑयल लग जाता है चेहरे पे तो आपको स्किन स्ट्रेचिंग में प्रॉब्लम होती है. We are going to see how to overcome that problem through a simple technique. Okay, so 4 or 5 drops of coconut oil, and I'll keep the coconut oil as is. In my left hand I have this small cloth which we generally call in India as chindi, but it is not that chindi, it's very useful. So first pass with the grain, shave it, budget shave challenge in Indian wet shavers. Let's see how it goes. Shaving off nicely. This blade is actually very good. It is a very inexpensive blade, but the shaving quality of this blade is not bad. Yeah, so this was a technique which I forgot to show. I'm showing that right now. You can use a cloth to pull your skin like that. Another very simple thing, but which we miss, or we are actually sometimes misled by different people and different opinions, is that when you are shaving on the neck, you should pull your skin down. But I feel that if you're hair grows like this from up to down. And if you pull the neck also down, if you stretch the skin downwards, the hair is going to stick as much to the skin, and that is going to cause a problem. When you stretch up, your whiskers actually come out of the skin like this, and it is easier for the blade to slice off. Try this technique. Okay. The shave is smooth without any problems, as good as when you use a shaving cream or something. There is one more way which you can use. For example, you can pull the skin like this and shave. If you're not comfortable in using your left hand, or your non-prominent hand, then you can use this technique too. I'm okay using both of my hands, so I generally use left hand on left side of the face. Took out this much of hair till now. Alright. Now I think most of the oil on my left hand has been absorbed by this cloth, so I will take some more oil for extra lubrication. We'll apply some water and say take some more oil. I want more protection in this area because this is sensitive, as well as the beard growth here is very coarse, very hard whiskers. Now the oil itself is very good lubricant, provides good protection as well. However, I have somewhere heard that an emulsion of oil and water is very slick. Just gliding the razor and blade easily on the face. Yep, no stubble left behind. Lot of whiskers on the Shavette as well. Okay. This is the most difficult area for me. The one most difficult area for me is chin area. Very, very difficult. So I'm just going to fold the paper like this. Alright. So first pass is done. And what I'm now going to do is I feel some stable left behind here. So as far as my neck is concerned, it's absolutely okay. You may see some whiskers, but those are the shaved off whiskers which are still sticking because of the coconut oil. But as far as the shave is concerned, it is done very nicely. I'll rinse off, apply some more oil maybe in the area where some stubble is left, and वहाँ पे फिर मैं shave करता हूँ. I'll just come back. Okay, so just a bit of more coconut oil. And for this reason, this time, this oil will work as an aftershave as well. So the cost of aftershave is also reduced out of the shave. Very nice. So I will definitely work out the cost of all this half plate, the Shavette, and about I'll consider about 5 ml of the coconut oil, and I will give the cost which costed for this shave. So good shave, no aftershave because this will act as an aftershave. I'll probably rinse my face with water just after this, and that's it. Good. It will last for about 2 or 3 days. Nice oil and shave it. Shave with a budget blade and budget care. I loved it. Clean, good, and very nice. Thank you very much for joining today. Do join the Indian Weight Shavers group if you'd like to, and keep up the good shaves. Bye bye. Ciao.